The Yearbook, story by Al Perkins, illustrated by William O'Brien. Ears. Our ears, they hear a clock. Our ears hear water. Our ears hear popcorn. Ears, 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 ears. It's good to hear with ears. We hear a flute. We hear a ding. We hear a dong. We hear a ping. We hear a pong.
And I will always love you.
We hear my sister sing a song. We also hear my father snore. We hear my sister slam the door. It's good to hear a drummer drum. And sister blowing bubble gum. We hear hands clap. And fingers snap. We hear feet tap. We hear a plane. We hear a train. It's good to hear the rain. Ears, 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 we like our ears. It's very good to hear with ears. Hi, if you like this video, please give this a like and hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a new video.